From Panda Garage today, we are actually on my new iPhone 8. But other than that, we are actually doing some work today, which I know you guys haven't seen for a bit. So look back there, that is the Commodore. We are starting to strip it down to do the paint and repair work to all the dents. So the front of this, massive crack just there, goes all the way through, and then up here as well. So we've taken that off, going to do some work because that side needs work, that side needs work, and then basically we have the guard off because we're going to take this off, which is all this. We might just replace that, and then basically got another dent under here, so we'll either punch that out or we will replace it. And then last, got to work out a way to get rid of those. So that's what's going on today. I'm going to keep going and I'll update you accordingly. So try to do this before the storm hits. We've had some lovely days here, but hopefully it's not too windy and we can get some work done. So wish me luck. Hey, a bit of update. It's actually looking not too bad at the moment. I'm slowly getting a lot of these like chips and dents out of it. As you can see, it's a bit dusty, but basically the idea is to get it all sanded down nice, and then we'll use like a primer with a bit of filler in it, and hopefully that fills in these gaps, and then we sand it again, then we can paint it. We've just got this patched up for now, but it's stretching, as you can see. I've got to work away. I think I'm gonna have to like drill some holes and put some like some zip ties in it and then glue it, or fiberglass it. So either way, we'll work that out. But yeah, not looking too bad. This guard, I think we're going to just replace it. The dents in the side, I think we're going to have to find another way of getting those out, because we tried the plunger, it didn't work, but I'll try it from the inside. So basically, just got the back bumper as well, got the front. I'm just working on this for now, mainly because I just want to get this done and get it moving, because the whole bumper's going to need to be resprayed. And seeing it's my first time, I thought it's good to start with white, I think. We've got a few cars in line now, so the more time I can spend on this, the better. So, oop, I've just dropped a screw. There it is. Right, so thank you all so much for watching for this installment. We'll be back at this later on this week. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook, Panda Garage, or look up the Panda Garage, I think it is. So until next time, guys, my name's Matt from Panda Garage, and I'll see you guys next time.